Apparently, I am feeling really festive because this plus size J. Crew factory haul is all about the festive season. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia, and today I am bringing you a J. Crew factory plus size try-on haul that is leaning in very heavily on the holidays or the festive season. Nothing too terribly fancy, but things that I feel are just really beautiful and definitely very classic J. Crew aesthetic. I love that classic traditional style, and these pieces that I'm showing you today are going to fall right in line with that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing that I have for you is not a holiday piece necessarily. It is more a sign of how addicted I am to sweater dresses because, yep, you can bet I brought in a sweater dress because I love them so much. The dress that I'm talking about is this midi dress in extra soft yarn. I brought it in a size extra large. I brought in the color Heather Loden, but I think they've got 3 or 4 other colors available in this dress. I hope you don't mind, but I'm not going to give prices today because they vary just depending on the sale that J. Crew Factory is having, and they are always running a sale. I am going to give fabric composition though. This particular sweater dress, because it is called extra soft yarn, it's got a laundry list of fibers. It's 55% acrylic, 35% polyamide, 7% wool, and 3% elastane. Now they did something because this particular fabric is so soft. It is exactly what they say it is. It is extra soft. It's very stretchy. It sits very comfortably on the skin. Well, one of the biggest reasons that I like sweater dresses is that during the winter, my house gets pretty cold and I don't always want to have to wear pants. So I love sweater dresses because just like in the summer when I love to wear linen or cotton dresses because they are so easy, they're like a one and done piece. Same holds true for sweater dresses, but for the fall and winter. I really love how cozy this one is. It does have ribbed cuffing at the hemline. It also has got ribbed cuffing at the sleeves as well as on the crew neck. It is a wonderful blank canvas for all kinds of things. You can either wear it on its own without a belt. If you're just lounging around at home, you just want to put something soft and cozy on and you love dresses like me, or you can dress it up if you want to for, like, say, the office, or if you have to go out and do something. It is the perfect blank canvas for that type of styling. Here I am showing it with a tan belt that I got from Amazon, as well as my Ruffle and pumps, and I brought in my Dooney and Burke bag. It's so easy to bring in pieces that are going to look really beautiful with it, especially in this really pretty green color. Olivey greens are trending right now, and so this falls in line with that trend. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. I think it is very soft. It is really easy to wear, really nice and cozy and cushy, and it's just a really good wardrobe staple to have because, like I said, it's a blank canvas. You'll be able to do anything with it. Before we continue with the video, I just like to let you know that everything that I'm talking about today is going to be listed in the description bar down below by outfit and by item. I will also have it all pinned in the top comment on this video. Additionally, it will also pop up here on the screen because J. Crew Factory and J. Crew are now a part of the YouTube shop program, so you can shop directly off of this video if you choose to do so. If you're watching right now, that's the easiest way to shop. However, I would urge you to follow me on LTK because all of these pieces showed up there first before I brought them here onto YouTube. So if you want to get an early jump on what I am shopping for, what I am showing, and some things that I don't even show here on the channel, then make sure to follow me on LTK because I share all kinds of things, not just fashion. I share beauty, I share home, I share pet stuff, I share lifestyle. I also have got new gift guides up in my LTK shop. So make sure to go there because I've got a few. I'm working on more, but it's just all different kinds of categories. So follow me, hit the notification bell and like to know it so that way you'll know when I've posted something new. The beautiful thing about like to know it is that if you have something that you like that you're not quite ready to buy yet, you can go ahead and favorite it or click the little heart on the piece, and then you will be notified if there are price drops, or if it goes out of stock, you will be given a restock alert on that piece. Make sure that you take full advantage of all of the features that LTK offers for you. It is a one-stop shop, absolutely free to download the app. You can also access it via your desktop or laptop. You're not going to pay anything to be on the app. It is, like I said, something that has been created for you to make it really easy to shop when you're not shopping here on YouTube. So I'm done with my spiel. Let's go ahead and let's get back to the video. The next piece that I have is this Stuart tartan midi dress with jeweled buttons. I have it in a size 18. It's in this traditional red tartan, is what I would call it, or plaid. We've got a little bit of yellow, we got a little bit of white, we have a little bit of blue in there, so it is your traditional red tartan. It is 98% sustainable cotton and then 2% elastane. It's a really beautiful dress, very sweet. It does have a puff sleeve on it. The elastic is actually quite loose on it, so it moves around easily. It's not binding at all. It has a really nice V-neck cut into it. As it says, it has those jeweled buttons. The jeweled buttons are so pretty. They're such a beautiful touch. It does not have an elasticated waist though, so do keep that in mind. And then we've got a fuller skirt. It does have pockets. It does have a side zip on it, but I was able to put it on easily over my head at the size 18. Now, I really, really love the style of this dress. I think it is really beautiful. It is such a sweet dress to wear to a festive party that's not like super dressy. If you don't want to do all the glitz and glamour, but you want to be festive, then this is a really great option for you. The only thing is that it is made of cotton, and so it's going to be comfortable when you're in a warm house, but when you're outside, you're absolutely going to have to wear some sort of a coat with this dress because it is a thin cotton. This is the perfect dress for those of you ladies who are in warmer climates and want to feel festive but don't want to get overheated because it is such a lovely thinner cotton. All of you gals who are in the South, this is a fantastic dress. You're going to be able to wear it around the holidays with ease. You could wear it all kinds of ways that are going to accommodate your weather situation. For those of you ladies though who are in a colder climate, tights, maybe a really nice coat will do well. A pair of long boots also will look really pretty with this dress, I think. Honestly, I feel that this dress is a really, really good dress for church. That's kind of what I thought when I first saw it. And I saw how demure it is, because it is definitely a bit of a demure, a bit of a modest dress, even though it does have a V neckline. It doesn't go very deep. So this is going to be a really, really beautiful dress, I think, for church, if you want to wear this like for Christmas services. I do like the midi length. I think that it looks lovely. You can wear a pair of heels with this. I think that would look really pretty with it. I am pairing it with a vintage patent leather clutch that I found at a flea market and a pair of patent leather slingback kitten heels that are very pointy in the toe. You could wear it with a shinier shoe. You could wear it with a gold shoe. I think that would look really, really beautiful. Or you could wear it with something that's got some crystals on it to kind of dress it up a little bit and tie in those jeweled buttons. So overall, a really, really beautiful dress. I think that this is a really, really nice one to have for this holiday season. Continuing with a tartan theme, I have this tartan ruffle collar pullover. I brought it in a size extra, extra large. It is in the colorway Academic Green. This is the only colorway that they have available. It is 58% cotton, 39% polyester, 3% elastane, and the ruffle is 100% cotton. Now, this is another one of those pieces that I felt was like classic J. Crew. They do this style like no other, and it's just really very beautiful and really festive and fun, and yet it is a casual top. You can wear this for casual gatherings, I think, or if you are a teacher or work in an office and you want to feel festive, this is an excellent way to do it. I have it paired with a pair of jeans that I'm going to talk about here, but it would look beautiful with a pencil skirt. It would look beautiful with a pair of black trousers. It will look really good with a pair of lighter jeans. I mean, this is, as for all intents and purposes, it's a t-shirt with a festive flair. Now, it does have a zipper in the back, but I was able to put it on over my head without an issue, without having to undo the zipper, but you do have that option available to you. It's a really really easy zipper to reach as well. And it is nice and gold, so it's going to really pop if you've got shorter hair. So just know that. But it's not a bad thing to me. It's just a part of the design of the t-shirt. It's a really great piece, I think. I love it. I love, love, love that ruffle. I think it is just so beautiful and just, like I said, very classic J. Crew, very much of that old money kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Really, really cute t-shirt. It does go a little bit longer. I think tucked in is the best way to go with this one. But if you don't want to wear it tucked in, that's fine. It does hit at about mid hip. And yeah, it's a really great festive t-shirt for a lot more casual situations, if you will. And I am pairing this with the soft denim trouser. The size is 35. I looked at the petites, and the petites only went up to a 32, and I'm a solid size 35. And so I had to get the classic length. If for those of you tall gals out there, I think the tall inseam is 33 inches. So you know, you have an option, and I believe they have it in the extended sizing in the tall sizes. Just petite they don't. But anyway, I got it in the color soft rinse. The jeans are made of 94% cotton, 5% elaston multiester, and 1% elastane. Who knows what that fiber is? I've never heard of it before. Okay, so yes, they fit long because I am a petite. A 28-inch seam would have been perfect. I was hoping that maybe they were cropped because in the picture they look really short, but nope, they must have been using a really tall model. They fit quite long, so I would have to have these altered. They have a really nice wide leg. They are a high rise. I found that I ended up with weird crotch issues, but I think that's probably because the pant was too long. So I tried to fold it up and it helped a little bit, but not quite enough. And I was wearing my Ralph Lauren heels with this. I just wanted to give myself a little bit of lift to see how they looked with shoes. You know, I'm a fan of a wide leg jean. I think for those of us gals who have a bit of a tummy, wide leg jeans are very, very flattering. Also, if you're tall, they are very, very elongating, because if you wear them and they are hitting the floor or grazing just the top of your shoe, it's going to really lengthen your leg, especially being a high waist. So really nice pair of jeans, I think. I think that they are very versatile. I think that you would be able to wear them all season long. I love the dark rinse. They don't have them in a different rinse. Does have slash pockets, and then we've got welt pockets in the back. I really like them. I thought that they were very nice. They're very chic. They're very dressy. These are a denim trouser for all intents and purposes, and I really, really like that. I'm tempted to hang on to them, but I'm not sure about the high rise on me. I think it's a little bit too high. If I had been able to get the petite, then it would have been at scale with my stature. It's a really, really beautiful pant, I think. It's really a very nice dressier option. I'm not mad at these jeans. I just wish that they had a better fit, but I think that you will really, really like them. So the next piece that I have for you is the velvet one button blazer. I have it in a size 18. The color is black. They do have two other colors available in this. They've got a really hot pink and they've got a forest green. This blazer is 98% cotton and 2% elastane. And the inner lining is 100% polyester. This is such a beautiful, really classic tailored blazer. It does have a more tailored or slimmer fit. If you want it to be slightly oversized, I would recommend that you go up a size. The size 18 fits true to size. It fit my arms really nicely, which I was really excited about. It buttons. It is really, really a lovely slimmer fitting blazer. It has a traditional notched collar, and I like the fact that we've got the grosgrain ribbon on kind of as a border around the collar. It doesn't have the grosgrain ribbon everywhere, just on the collar, which I like. It does have a covered button. It is a really, really nice blazer. I like the lining. I think the lining is really nice. It's just lovely. And it has pockets, but the pockets are sewn shut. And I didn't open them because I don't know if I'm going to hang on to this or not, because I've already got a velvet blazer. But I did want to bring this in to take a look at for you guys, and I highly, highly recommend it. It is beautiful. I love the fit. I think the fit is so, so nice. It is not too overwhelming. It's not too long, but it's long enough, and it just has such a really good fit. I think that the fit is outstanding. It has really nice shoulders. The shoulder line fit me really well, and I just thought that it was a really beautiful piece for the holidays if you want to dress up and be a little bit more festive. I'm wearing it with a black tank top, just a basic tank top that I got from Amazon, but the pants that I'm wearing it with are actually from J. Crew Factory. It is their Cali pant, and while the ones that I'm showing you are the twill, they do have the Cali pant available in velvet, and I can't remember what size I have in the Cali pant. I want to say I have a size 20 in the Cali pant, but the Cali pant is a slimmer fitting pant, and I wish I had seen or realized that they had the velvet Cali pant, because I would have brought those in to try on. J. Crew Factory is very consistent in their style, and so the velvet version is going to be very much like the twill version that I have. I really thought that the outfit looked really, really nice, especially if you pick up those velvet Cali pants, which I will have linked, with the blazer. You're going to have a really pretty holiday suit that you can wear throughout the Christmas season, but as well put on a beautiful sequined tank top that I like, the ones that I talked about in my fall must-haves video. Wear a beautiful sequined tank top underneath it, and you've got a fantastic New Year's Eve outfit too. You'll be able to break the pieces apart and wear them in different ways. You can bring them together and have a suit. Now here I am showing them with this pair of Tartan Cap Toe Low Heel Slingbacks, which in itself gives a very festive vibe, especially because I'm wearing all black and I've got these tartan shoes on. It really makes the shoes the focus. And I did that on purpose because I absolutely love these shoes. Let me give you the specs before I go into it though. I brought them in a size 7M. The color, of course, is your traditional red, black tartan. It is a cotton and polyurethane flat or low-heeled slingback. I love these shoes. When I was looking at the website and I saw these shoes, I was enthralled by them, I have to say. And it's unusual for me to be so excited about a pair of plaid cap toe heels. There's just something, again, very J. Crew about this. I think that it is such a beautiful festive shoe. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with black pants, you could wear it with the skirt. I mean, there are so many different ways to style these shoes over the festive season that I'm like, yeah, I have to have those. And I would be wearing them right now if they matched. If they had had a burgundy plaid, I might have picked those up too. I really, really love these. They're very comfortable. They're fully adjustable so that way you can make it, you know, to where the slingback doesn't fall off your heel. They are a really nice low 1-inch heel. They've got the tartan all around the heel as well as on the portion of the shoe. The cap toe is also in a fabric. It is such a gorgeous seasonal shoe. I did not want to take these shoes off. I love them so, so much. I think that they are so pretty. They're sitting back here. I think that they are so, so beautiful. I think that they are perfect for the season. My head is buzzing with how many ways I can style these. I am so enamored with the cap toe flat right now. And you definitely get that designer look for way, way less. It's just so, so gorgeous. And I cannot wait to wear these. These are so, so pretty. And I think that if you are looking for just one piece that is a festive piece, I think that these shoes, I don't usually encourage people to have a specialty shoe like this, a seasonal shoe, but what's wrong with having clothes that are for the season? You know, there's nothing wrong with it. You're going to wear them and enjoy them and love them. And these are very well made and they're going to be with me for a long time. So I'm going to enjoy them as much as I can this season and throughout the holiday season and maybe even beyond, because who says that tartan plaid is just for the holidays? You could absolutely wear it throughout the entire fall and winter season. So yeah, I'm going to get a great cost per wear out of these shoes. I think they're going to be some of my favorites. I know that a lot of you are probably looking for things for holiday. I do have a Walmart haul coming next, I think, that is going to be filled with holiday attire, like sparkly party type pieces and a few not party type pieces. So make sure that you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss that. Speaking of, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with my latest Walmart haul here so that you can check out some of the pieces that I have found, and they do carry true plus size now, by the way. So check it out and see. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye.